How to change the default autofill provider on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to switch which service fills in your saved information, like passwords or addresses. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on General Management. From there, tap on Passwords and Autofill. At this point, tap on Autofill Service. In the next step, you'll see a list of available autofill providers, like Google or Samsung Pass. Following this, tap on the provider you want to set as default. Once done, a confirmation message may appear explaining what this provider will manage going forward. From here, tap Confirm or Agree to set it as your default. At this stage, this provider will now automatically fill in saved passwords, addresses, and payment info across your apps. Keep in mind, switching providers may mean your previously saved autofill data doesn't transfer automatically, so you may need to resave some information under the new provider. Finally, test it by tapping on a login field in any app to confirm autofill suggestions now come from your selected provider. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the default autofill provider on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.